Hey guys, I'm JD and I'm a digital marketer with over a decade experience in this field, ranging from building multi-million-dollar companies to being an entrepreneur and building my own lead generation companies. I have learned a thing or two about Facebook paid ads. In this video series, I'm going to walk you through why and how I build Facebook ads while using tools to save you time, money, and frustration. The process I'm going to show you is simple, yet takes time to master. Practice makes perfect, and I suggest that you practice along with what I'm going to demonstrate so that you have a firm understanding of the concepts and techniques. This course is designed for both beginners and intermediate Facebook advertisers alike. It's structured to walk you through, step by step, how I have developed and managed profitable campaigns so that you are able to take the same approach to your Facebook advertising and have the confidence to implement. Look, I've done this for years, both for my own companies as well as for hundreds of others. After all these years, I know it's a systematic approach to increasing leads, to sales, to increased ROI. A big part of it is taking out the emotional side of things and strictly reading the data in order to make the best decisions on where you should focus your ad dollars for the best chance of profitability. This video series is going to show you how I built Facebook ads in an easy to use process that's going to help reduce your time, frustration, and cost of building and managing Facebook paid advertising campaigns. I will break everything down to its element and to its core concept so that you have a firm understanding of all the components involved in developing a profitable campaign. This includes things like designing the ad, such as your ad headlines, ad text, the link descriptions, your calls to action, the different images that you'll use, multiple things, all the way down to how do we build our audience, how do we target cold leads, and how do we bring them in so that we have a chance to mature them through our sales funnel process in order to make them a paid customer. This video series is structured for those that are looking to build their first campaigns, and for those that want to build more effective campaigns, or even for those that want to have the confidence to do what is necessary as far as how you go about testing multiple different iterations of all your components. And this means things like your headlines and your images and anything else that you can think of. Your age groups down to your audience selections. I mean, you're testing everything. Your landing pages. There's a lot going on. But what's behind this course is developing you as a Facebook advertiser so that you can go out and do the same things that I'm doing here, going all the way from setup through implementation of your first campaigns and optimizing those campaigns, which is, once you learn how to do it, is quite easy to do. So in this course, do practice what I'm showing. That's very important. And certainly with Facebook advertising, it's all about, one, getting through the first, the fundamentals and the core setup and integrations, which we'll have to do with both our business manager as well as our Ad Espresso and other tools that we may use and demonstrate in this course. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get you set up and ready to go ahead and rock out your first campaign. So I look forward to getting started.